Hi everyone, welcome to 3D Printed Angler. I'm Alex. Because we got a lesser and lesser bluefish in West Long Island, so I'm going to start porgy fishing. In previous years, I used bottom fishing rig for porgy fishing. Either use this kind of hand-tied fishing rig or this kind of wire leader fishing rig for bottom porgy fishing. But there's an issue with this kind of leaders because they are soft. So when you catch a porgy, then land it, then trying to unhook it, very often the porgy gonna stop to jump, and they jump hard. So the fishing leader is very easy to tangle on the fish's body, all around the fish's body, and hook leader together. It's very difficult to untie it if this kind of situation happened. So this year I designed and printed this one, this 3D printed object to help my porgy fishing. So I made a fishing rig by using this. Here's hook, and here's another hook. I'm gonna use shrimp as a bait, put on the hook. But this one, I never tried it before actually. I hope this one can help me prevent tangling happen and help me easy to release fish. Yeah, let's go to see if this works or not. Good morning guys, sunrise. Today we are doing pier fishing porgy. Oh, my wife beat me again, but this one's too small. Well, obviously it's undersized. Up.
你看这个 up 它会自己往上掉，像我们用过那个公母。是我的是吗？
不知道啊。So many mosquitoes on my face. Well,
Best.
my wife caught another fish. I got nothing. I'm so busy putting on the bait for my wife and unhook fish for her. Swallow the whole thing. Okay, easy.
还没用吗？
Oops, I got a fish. Small one, small, tiny. Oops, unhooked by itself. Good. Okay, it's picking your bait right now. Well, this rig actually worked. Oops. Ah. Why today's porgy are so small? In town, I'm getting another fish. What the fuck? Whoa, this one's a bigger one. This one's so big. You think this is a keeper? No? Well, I think a keeper is 9 inches long. This one definitely a keeper. Yeah, this one's 10. Yeah, this one's 10. Oops. See? This one's 10. It's a keeper. I'm beating you this time. I got a keeper already. You have 0 keeper.
So what? I don't
so far I'm the winner, okay?
I don't fuck
You got the first fish, but I got the first keeper. That's my job. My job is helping you to catch fish, right? Assistant.
I'm fishing master.
You're a fishing master, right?
You are my assistant.
Yeah.
Did you do your homework?
Yeah, I did. I did my homework, so right now you can be here to catch fish. See these?
This is my teacher.
These are my homework. You saw me make those rigs last night.
No, I didn't.
Well, we are leaving. Actually, we are leaving right now. We are packing our stuff, but there's one visitor is visiting my rig. Okay, just release this cutie. No, not a keeper. Okay. Yeah, we are leaving, but this rig actually worked. It's working great. Yeah, this 3D printed object fishing rig actually worked, and I think it's preventing. I think it's preventing tangling from happening. So I consider it's a success. I already uploaded this 3D model to thingiverse.com. You can find the link in the description below, so you can download it and make your own fishing rig. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment below. And also please don't forget to subscribe for my future content. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.